So this is Mystic Knotwork. We are the only knot shop of our kind in the country, as far as I know. We make everything here. Here's Betsy hard at work. So these are some plant hangers that I made last night. This is where you make plant hangers. We have a coat rack. Works really good. Here's another one. I was on a gray kick. And this is our plant hanger display where we hang all our finished plant hangers for people to buy. Here's our backstock area. And here's my messy desk. We just sold a red star, so I'm hanging out another one. It's like Christmas in April today, yeah. What you doing, Megan?
Not working. I'm finishing some keychains, putting some key rings on them.
Lots of dogs today. What's your name?
My name is Daisy.
Daisy, hi. Oh, there's Betsy.
I'm Daisy.
Yep, Betsy's got to say hi too.
Hubby.
Oh, hi, Copper. What you doing? Oh. So this is the room where we do the doormats. There's our supervisor, and May the 4th is coming up. And here's Bailey. So is this art or garbage at this point? I don't know.